Today, we've got an exciting project to share with you. We're taking our brand new 2023 Grand Design Momentum 397 THR to the next level with a special upgrade. Now don't get us wrong, the factory design was alright, but we really wanted something that kind of gave the space a more modern and clean look.
Oh, it's like little pegs.
So does it just come straight out?
That's what it looks like on this side.
Yep. Oh, you still got stuff. Okay. Board.
So if you're thinking of redoing your fireplace or resurfacing it like we are, just know that our 2023 model is different than all the other YouTube videos that we've watched, where essentially that piece that Lucas is touching right now comes off, and that is no longer a thing. We're a little concerned because we're not sure if it's going to be too thick here, even though this is thin, because the face of the fireplace still needs to be able to hook in here like it originally did and not be bowed and weird. So now we're brainstorming. Lucas had a good idea. He said that we could get some shims and put it behind here to kind of bring everything out a little bit so that it would line up just a little bit.
I think it's only the four that hold it. So if we put a washer essentially behind there.
That should bring it out enough to line up with their thickness.
And then we just put this where all this is. Put the glass back on.
Hypothetically easy peasy.
But obviously that. And then just go straight down. And then have this one do the same thing. The edge. Put our shims back in. Bam. Okay, let's go. Start doing something. How would you call?
Bye.
Bye.
What you think, babes? Huh? Alright, Lucas is back from the store.
There's little washers, spacers. I bought two sizes of them. That's too much. And I'm just gonna take them out one time, put it behind there, screw back in.
So you can see the white thing back there, that's the spacer that Lucas got. And now we just gotta screw it back in on top of that.
And we'll kick that out, and then we put the, yeah. And that should pull it out just a little bit.
I think it should work. I mean, you can see it has enough space there now, so it should line up with the width of what the tile is.
Yeah, I can see it on this side. It's making it like flush with the edge.
Nice.
Compared to this side. It's like just under.
Oh.
This side it's out now.
I see, so on the ledge there, compared to over here.
I mean, worst comes to worst. It doesn't work. The fireplace will fall out.
Yeah, worst comes to worst, we break our fireplace. No big deal.
Yeah, it's fine.
It's totally fine.
And this should fit just fine there. Perfect.
Heck yeah. Well, your shim idea worked perfect.
Now I just gotta stick on peel and stick.
After some research, we found these amazing high-quality peel and stick tiles on Amazon that caught our eye. We knew they were the perfect solution to give our fireplace the facelift it deserved.
Sides. Should all work out. 7.
Our plan of attack is we are going to work our way from the top to the bottom, which hypothetically should work just fine. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Lucas is cleaning it with isopropyl alcohol. Apparently that's an important part in prepping.
It just allows it to stick better. It removes any oils that might be on there that would keep the adhesive from sticking.
Now let me tell you, this project turned out to be quite the little adventure. The installation process was a bit trickier and more involved than we had anticipated. We encountered a few bumps along the way, but with some determination and patience, we made it through. Looks good.
That's what we want space for.
Digging it. I'm digging it. Looks pretty good, huh?
I really like it.
Almost to the. Should have went from the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
It would have been so much easier. Oh well. So it won't be that bad. I just wouldn't have to cut it this way, where I gotta cut down one of these now. Where if we would have went from the bottom to top, I could have just went right on the line, and then we could have just got it close. Not a big deal. Not a big deal.
Nice.
Big stretch.
Yoga?
Yoga. And that's just held on by 2 little screws.
Dun, dun, dun.
You proud of your work?
Sure.
I think it looks great.
Where's the fireplace?
Look at that. So nice and seamless. Oh.
And boy, oh boy, the results are simply stunning. The before and after photos are like night and day.
I'm gonna use that as the background music.
Our upgraded fireplace now adds a touch of elegance and style to our camper's interior. We couldn't be happier with how it turned out. It's amazing how a simple upgrade can make such a big difference in creating a space that truly feels like home. Big stretch. Yoga. Oh. Sure. Thanks for joining us for our fireplace facelift. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures and camper transformations. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content.